Hello everyone, so here is our part 2 of our cute cartoon dog model in Blender. So watch this video till end and thank you. Okay, so let's start with our model. So this is our previous model which we have done. Now today I will show you how to color it. So first we have to take its UV. Unwrap its UV. So first select these edges and right click, then mark seam. Now from um, front middle part also select these edges, then again mark this seam like this, right click and mark the seam. Now go to UV editing. Now press A for selecting this hole. Now press right click, then unwrap. So you can see our UV is unwrapped like this. Now go to our layout. Now let's start texturing it. So first of all, bring this upwards, drag this upward. Now go here, go to shader editor. Now take a new material here. Now shift A, press shift A here. Now go to texture, then image texture. Now attach this color to our base color like this I am doing. Now go to our shading mode. As you can see, press new and color this as white and press OK. So you can see. Now we will texture these. So go to object mode, texture paint. Now in this we are going to color its eyes and face and all. Just go to UV editing so you can see the layout of our UVs. Now go here, name this material as dog face or whatever you want. Press enter. Go to our texture paint and here it is untitled. So for changing that, again drag this, then name here as dog face texture. So you can see that name appears over here. Now let's color its face. So for that, go here and select your fill tool. So this is our fill tool. Now take this and just match your color which you want. I am choosing it from my reference image. This color must be proper. Now take a new color palette and you can, if you press on our this model which we have to color it, so it will fill all with this skinny color. Now let's make its eye. Now on its symmetry, and for checking you can draw and check like this. On x-axis our symmetry is on. Now let's color its eyes with white color. You can see I am doing like this. Just color its eyes however you want and however big or small you want, you can. So like this. Now you can drag this here again. Now go to our image texture and go here, then bring your dog face texture over here. Now you can go here and press it as color, and here you can convert it into paint like this. Now I am speeding up my video for coloring this eye part, so for not making you bored or something like that. So once we have finished with its coloring, now let's color its ear. Now select these bows, eyebrows and its nose, and go here and just color it with black. You can add your own color as you want here, like this. Now for bow also, take and then give it black color or red or black, whatever color you want you can use it in here. Just adjust these. So now it's shoulder or body, give it yellow orange color like this. So you can see, oh, we have forget to make its mouth part. So for that, go here and drag this again. Now go to our texture paint and take black color Now just make it small mouth, lips, like this. Like this, it's looking nice. You can also make it angry pose, or in sad pose, or in happy face. So like this, just color it nicely for making it look way more attractive. So like this, you can see our UV map. Now don't forget to save it, otherwise it will lost its texture. Like this. So I'm saving my file. Now go to our layout. We are in our layout actually. So drag this editor down again. Now we have completed with our coloring part, like this. So go to your object mode. Now you can see our cute cartoon little dog face model is ready. You can also try your own other characters. So let's render it. So for that, first go here and now it is looking nice, little like this. So all done. Now delete our reference images. Now let's render it. So for that, go to our render view. Now select our camera like this and take one light also. Take area light and keep it upwards, and from here like this. Now you can increase its size, and 500 watts will be enough, or 200 also. 300 will be enough. You can decide it by your own imagination, like this. Now from down also bring one here, like this, looking perfect. Now from side also add one here, and from other side also we have to add one. So after rendering it, our image will be attractive in looking. And from back also you can add if you want. So our lighting part is also done. Now go to our render engine, then convert it into cycles. Now you can see, now give it a background color of maroon or dark brown color, as you can see, little more darker to enhance its color. Now go to press 0 for camera mode and lock the camera view, like this. Now press F12 for seeing the render results. First arrange its position for that, like this. So our rendering and color part is also done. So hope you like this model which I have made, and thanks for watching again. and I will be in my next tutorial soon. Till bye, take care and thank you.